Hi, my name is Giuseppe Rispoli with Rispoli Design Build. We're here in Central Point, Southern Oregon, working on a renovation project. What you see here is the living room adjacent to the kitchen. The plan is to open up this wall and give us access and see through the kitchen, enlarging this space and the kitchen space. So this is the kitchen space. The idea will be to expand this wall. We'll have a steel beam covered by a natural beam. Our double oven goes here. Our range will go there. Our kitchen sink goes in the same place that it was before. We're replacing the window, the slider, and the window over there as well. One of the reasons we worked in this space and rearranged the kitchen was this. Originally, the fridge was here, sticking out 6 inches, making the entrance into the kitchen really tight. So we have redesigned the space. We moved the fridge to the opposite side. This will become a coffee station, and we're enlarging this space, making this about 3 feet and 9 inches. We have been here working with this client for the past few months. We worked on several designs for the house, making all the selections, and this is the first space that we started our renovation project. This bathroom has been completely transformed. We have a floating vanity, a shower, a toilet here with a bidet, but really the objective for this project was to create an ensuite room with a bathroom and still leaving access to the hallway because this is the only bathroom for the downstairs level. So this is the ensuite bedroom. It will become a guest bedroom, and the vision is to have a bed here with the 2 pendants above the nightstands. The dresser is going on this side. This will be a sitting area, and the closet is over there. In this room, initially there was a fireplace here that has been removed. The beam wasn't there. We put a natural beam in place. It's alder wood. We put the slider in. There was a window there before. The closet did not exist. So all that you see here, everything is new. Everything has been retextured. Everything has been insulated. We've taken all the walls out, just re-insulate everything. We've done the same thing with the ceiling. On this project, we learned something. We typically use MDF for the door jambs to provide a better finish when painted. In this case, this door is not a vinyl door. It is a metal door. And what is happening is the door was left open a little bit, and it created a little bit of moisture on the MDF. And it created this bubbling effect on the MDF itself. So we're going back in, we're replacing it, and we are using pine instead of the MDF. This level of the home is getting completely transformed. This is our 3rd phase for this part of the project. The vision is to have a primary bedroom over there with a primary bathroom over here, a freestanding tub with a shower. This whole space here is becoming the freestanding tub with a shower, 2 large windows, a large vanity over here, dual vanity with a primary closet over there, hallway closet, and enlarging the additional bathroom on this level to allow for a walk-in shower and a sitting bench.